This circus is falling down on its knees. The big top is crumbling down. It's raining in Baltimore, 50 miles east, where you should be. No one's around. I need a phone call. I need a raincoat. I need a big love. I need a phone call. These train conversations passing me by. I don't have nothing to say. You get what you pay for, but I just had no intention of living this way. I need a phone call. I need a plane ride. I need a sunburn. I need a raincoat. I get no answers. I don't get no change. It's raining in Baltimore, baby. Everything else is the same. There's things I remember, there's things I forget. I miss you, I guess that I should. 3,500 miles away. What would you change if you could? I need a phone call. Maybe I should buy a new car, and I can always hear a freight train. Baby, if I listen real hard, I wish it was a small world, 'cause I'm lonely for the big towns. Like to hear a little guitar. I think it's time to put the top